Howdy! In this tutorial, you will learn how to make an assignment tracker. Staying organized is crucial to success, especially at the college level. Creating an assignment tracker to put all of your assignments and exams in one place will help ease the stress that comes with the new semester. The first step of making an assignment tracker is to add categories. This will make it easier to identify each assignment. I will be using class, assignment, status, and due date for mine. After headings are added, you will want to enter all of your assignments for each class and their corresponding due dates. For now, leave the status column blank. We will come back to this later. After you have entered all the assignments, you can now customize the look of your assignment tracker. You can do this by color coordinating by each class, changing column width, fonts, or anything else that will make this more eye-catching to you. Once you have completed assignments, you will want a way to show that it is done. You will do this in the status column by using the drop-down feature. In the first cell under Status, right-click to bring up the context menu. Here you will see several options. Look for the option that says Drop-down and click it to insert it into the cell. Once this is done, the data validation window should appear on the right of your screen. If it doesn't, simply click on the down arrow in the drop-down icon and select the pencil icon to bring up this menu. Here you can insert different status options. In this instance, I am just going to use completed and not completed. You can also assign colors to the different options in this window. Once you have your drop-down options set, remember to press Done so that it will apply to the icon. Once you have this done, you will need to copy this format to all of the cells remaining in the status column that correlate to an assignment. To do this, simply select the cell with the drop-down and drag downwards. Now that all of the information has been added to your tracker, we will want to add a filter to it. Starting in the cell with the heading Class, select and drag down to the right until the entire table is highlighted. Once everything is highlighted, right-click to bring up the context menu. Find the option that says Create a Filter and select it. Once the filter is created, you should see the filter icon to the right of every heading cell. For the last step, click on the filter icon in the cell that has the date heading. This will bring up the menu of different filter options corresponding to the date. To sort the assignments from earliest to latest due date, select the option that says Sort A to Z. Now your assignment tracker is complete and you are ready for the new semester.